For activity number 2, students will as well work on an activity on mathematics. The standard for this activity will be to use place value concepts to represent amounts of tens and ones and to compare 3-digit numbers. Materials needed for this activity are Uno cards, sticky notes, and a pencil. These sticky notes will be labeled 100, tens, and ones. Alright, to start the activity, students will be placed in groups of 2. The students will be placed in groups of 2 facing one another with a desk or table in between. In front of each student will be a full stack of shuffled Uno cards, minus the wild cards. These wild cards would be reverse, skip, draw 2, draw 4. As well as there will be 3 sticky notes placed in front of the student, as I said previously, labeled ones, tens, and hundreds. These would be in order as shown, from least to greatest and greatest to least. Each student will place Uno cards in front of them, and then partner 1 will draw first. Partner 1 will draw their first card and place it in the hundreds place. Then they will pick their second card and place it in the tens place, and then grab their third card and place it in the ones place. They will read these numbers aloud as they go down the line, and when they are done, they will give the full number total. So for example, my first card I picked was a 6. The second card I picked was a 7, and the third card I picked was a 3. This would then be 673. Next, partner 2 would go. Partner 2 would draw again their first card and place it in the hundreds. They would grab their second card and place it in the tens, and grab their third card and place it in the ones. For this example, I drew a 6 in the hundreds, a 9 in the tens, and a 7 in the ones. This would be 697. For this example, that means that partner number 2 would win because 697 is greater than 673. Partner number 2 would collect all 6 of the cards, and then they would regroup and start again. We're going to repeat this example one more time, and then I will be attaching a visual example of 2 students participating in this activity. I'm going to grab my first card, which is a 4, my second card, which is a 9, and my third card, which is an 8. 498. Partner 1 drew. Then partner 2 goes, and they pick a 1 in the hundreds, a 2 in the 8 in the tens, an 8 in the tens, and then an 8 in the ones. So that would mean that partner number 1 won this because they had 498, while partner 2 had 188. Partner 1 would then take these cards, and the process would start all over again. This will continue until students have completed through their full deck. Whoever has the most cards at the end collected is the winner. Attached will be an example of 2 students completing this activity.